In order to understand Newton's second law of motion, we should first know the meaning of a term which is known as momentum. We know that a cricket ball is much more heavier than a tennis ball. Suppose we throw a cricket ball and tennis ball both with the same speed or velocity. It will be found that more force is required to stop the cricket ball and less force is required to stop the tennis ball. Why? Because there is the difference in the mass of the ball. We conclude that the force required to stop a moving object is directly proportional to its mass. Now, if we throw two cricket balls of the same mass at the different speed or velocity, it will be found that more force is required to stop that cricket ball which is moving with higher velocity and less force is required to stop the cricket ball moving with lower velocity. So we can conclude that the force required to stop a moving body is directly proportional to its velocity and mass. Therefore, the quantity of motion in a body depends upon the mass and velocity, thus giving us another term which is known as momentum. The momentum of a body is defined as product of mass and velocity. If so, P, that is momentum, is equal to M, that is mass, into V, that is velocity. So I can say P is equal to M into V. If a body is at rest, its velocity is 0. So what will be the momentum? Yes, the momentum of the body will be 0. Momentum is a vector quantity as the force or velocity is in a particular direction. SI unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second, which is written as kg meter per second. Every moving object possesses momentum. Some day-to-day observations can be explained only because of the involvement of momentum. A karate expert can break a pile of the tile with a single blow of the hand. Can we do the same? No. If we try to do the same trick, what will happen? We are going to hurt our hand. Now, why a karate expert is able to break a pile of tile? This is because a karate player strikes the pile of tiles with his hand very fast. A large momentum is created because of the large velocity which is acquired by the hand of the karate expert. So, due to the large velocity, a large momentum is created in the hand, and when the karate expert touches the pile of tile, the momentum is reduced to 0 in very short span of time. This exerts a large force on the pile of tiles which is sufficient to break them apart. In the same manner, a cricket ball is not very heavy, so it's not going to hurt if it hits at very less speed to a player. But if the same cricket ball is thrown with a high speed, it acquires a large momentum and sometimes it hurts the fielder while fielding. Why? Because a large momentum is created in the cricket ball because of large velocity which it has acquired. So when the fielder catches the ball, it creates a large force on the hands of the fielder.